Okay, here we go. We're gonna make eggs in the microwave. Take some bacon grease and put it like that in there. Right. Those are already cooked. Cook them all together. Now here's the trick, because you don't want it to be blowing up in there and messing up your whole microwave. Okay, so this is folded in half. I really put it on there like that. Put this on top. Put it in the microwave. Not that long. Let's see how long we put it in for. It doesn't always work. This is the part you gotta figure out. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna say 1 minute. That should probably be long enough. You might hear it popping. Put the lid on there so it'll keep it from ruining your microwave. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, there you go. Alright, well, we're gonna make some toast and then we're gonna make a sandwich.